Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain you how to create an identity column in SQL Server. Okay. In SQL Server, an identity column is a special type of column that automatically generates unique numeric values for each new record inserted in the table. Unique column is created with a create or alter statement of a table. Syntax, this one is the syntax to add a identity column. Now first of all, we are creating a table without identity column. Okay, this table already existing in the database, learning database. That's why first of all I am going to drop this table, removing this table from the database. Now we are creating this table. Let's insert some values. Customer, column name, customer ID, customer name and customer address. Use 1 for customer ID, a customer name and address. Okay. Now I am creating another insert statement. In this insert statement, I am not going to insert the customer ID value. Let's see what happens. Now check the data in the table. See here what happened. We have to manually insert the value of customer ID, and in the second insert statement we didn't insert the value, that's why this is null. Okay, now we are going to use identity. First of all, again I am going to drop this table and adding identity property in customer ID column. Okay, identity column. Seed, by default seed and increment are 1. Increment value can be greater than 0 or less than 0, but it cannot be 0. First I am using 1 comma 1. The value of first row will be 1. For the next row this value will be 2. Further consecutive rows 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. We are going to create this table again and removing customer ID column. Let's check again what happened. Okay, we need to remove this also. Let's check the table. For the first row this value is 1, for the next row this is 2, and for the third row this will be 3. Let's see, we can start it for some other value, like now we are going to change this value. Again I am going to drop this table. Okay, now I am changing 1 to 5 and incremented value from 1 to 2, and again creating this table. And check value what happened. Okay, so here for the first row this is value 5, for the second 7, and for third this value will be 9. Okay, let's how to add an identity column in an existing table. Okay, here is another table I have already. Select start from student. Okay, this is the identity column in this table. Okay, now order student add one, one. See here, the identity column already existing in this table. That's why we cannot add another identity column in the same table. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe.